Okay, viewers, welcome to my tutorial. Okay, I want to talk about how to rename a folder from the desktop. Okay, all right. So step one, you right click on the folder you want to rename. Okay, you go down to rename option. That's step two. Okay, and give your folder a name. As step 3, I choose to use a rename folder. Then after that, step 3, you press the enter key on your keyboard. With this, you've renamed your folder on the desktop. Okay, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you.